We're gonna try this game one more. We're gonna try this game one more time, okay? We're going to try this game one more time, okay? Alright. We're gonna have to be in the block he's in. West block. There he is. The guy who killed us. Once. Maybe twice. Who do we be today? Who do we be? Who do we be? Sam Shady. Oh, we're the serial killer. Sola Ferrari. This court has seen you accused of intercepting a mall, I think. I find you guilty and sentence you to 28 days in prison. This may not be a long time, but it'll be a hard time. You'll be lucky if you survive. Officer Newberry, get this animal on my side. Don't ever see him again. I got no shoes. Alright, we got room 1. Okay. What room? What number is Mr. Oh, that's me, I think. Hold on, I think that's me down there. It is Stone Malone. Wake up. Oh yeah, Rory, awesome. You let your friend die. What the heck? Quit it. Chill out, guys. Wait. Chill out. I was just joking. I just want to make sure he was okay, alright? Relax. Please. Where's Matt Chismo? I think the thing exploded. Stone Malone has been found dead. Yeah, they're about to arrest him. Better relieve him of his duty. But don't think I've forgotten who truly is the culprit here. Who truly is the madman here. Come on. Come on, where is he? Whoa, that's a rocket launcher. That's a rocket launcher. What the heck? Okay, we're just gonna fall over here in the locker room. We're taking this to our room. Alright. Put a thumbnail. Post for the thumbnail. Are there no bullets? Yeah, that was good. You're right, I probably should. There's no bullets in there, though. That's why. That's why I'm gonna put it down. Not because you told me to, I swear. He's not here, he's running. He's a coward. He's a little coward. Well, that shouldn't stop us from going throughout our day. We should probably get something to eat. Something delicious. Oh no, it's Diddy. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Yeah, let's just get out of here. Let's not sit over there. Yeah, let's not sit over there. Okay, I can't grab that. What the heck? I know you can make money. Oh boy. A burger, and you can find them at East Block. Where the heck am I supposed to find a burger other than a classroom? I mean, not classroom. What am I? Student. I meant. I know I can find in a cafeteria, but how do I buy something? Oh, there's a burger. We got the burger. Now I gotta go to East Block, right? Now where's East Block at? There's South Block. So it'll be over here. I don't know why I thought East. Oh, it's money on the floor. Hold on, money. Gotta get that money. $54 right there. He's an officer. There he is. Got your burger, son. Thanks, Saul. I know exactly what Officer Switch Off wants me to do with this burger. Probably to eat it. Not really anything to be hiding out here, really. Alright. Let's sneak into the West Block with this. Wait, what's not cool to wear? Ah, whatever. We'll find out later. Thank you. I don't know why reputation goes down for doing a nice job, but whatever. And there goes the flamethrower. So you don't get any money from fixing beds, huh? Where the heck is this guy at? He's not coming back yet. He hasn't come back yet. Maybe he's scared. Yeah, that's what it probably is. He's just a scared little bastard. That's what he is. Oh, did he? No, please. Actually, you know what? We're gonna take you out. Get out of here, Diddy. Why is his name Sean Combs? He probably like this. Oh no, your boys are here. No, wait. It's a misunderstanding. Is that Todd? Breaking Bad? Make it his escape. Oh, what's going on? I heard kissing. Oh, there you are. Wait, that's not him. Never mind. Where'd you go, Combs? There you are. Dude, just there he is. Damn. I'm killing you, son. I'm killing you. Okay, we're resting. You should go away, officer, if you don't want to see anything nasty. Relax. Bro, they're doing everything but hitting the police. His boys are here too. I'm doing this for the better of mankind. I did it for the better of mankind. Everybody knows what you did to Sean Combs. I'll make sure you suffer the same fate. Man, what's wrong with you? Why are you trying to defend this man? This man is not a good man. I'm going back to my home. Some may see it as a villainy act. I see it as a means of necessary. For murder. No. No. Ah! Officer, wait. Sean Combs is dead because of you. Let's see what the judge has to say. This court is convinced to hear the case against Saul Ferrari. As the arresting officer, perhaps you could explain why we're here, Officer Bentley. Sean Combs is dead because of what Saul Ferrari did to him. I may have found Sean Combs dead, but that doesn't mean I did it to him. After corroborating this with the testimony, Officer Awesome, the score is ruled in the favor of, come on, me, Saul Ferrari, let's go! You must want a scapegoat because Sean Combs will still be here if you were doing your job. That's what I'm saying. I got a good lawyer. I beat the case, but someone's gonna call me a snitch, isn't there? Now I thought I'd say this, but I meant to make some good points, Saul Ferrari. Now I understand this side a little better. Thank you. Thank you. We did it. I'm going. We took the evil man down. We didn't get our revenge, but we took someone evil down, and I guess that's a good thing. I think I'm gonna end it here, boys. I mean, I'm getting tired. Yep. I think I'll see you guys next time.